It started with just one drop. By the time you see the stain, the damage has already begun. 1 week, the stain grows. 2 weeks, mold spreads unseen. 1 month, your ceiling is no longer just stained, it's failing.
Found it.
A water stain isn't the problem, it's the warning. Every drop tells a story. The question is, will you listen before it's too late? The strongest homes aren't the ones that never have problems. They're the ones where hidden problems are found before they become disasters. That's why we're here, to uncover the hidden truths before they cost you everything. Don't ignore the warning signs your home is giving you. Wins Plumbing. You'll always win with Wins.